Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of weather conditions for the start of your work week. Well, we're expecting sunny skies to continue for most of central and western South Africa today. While in the south it's been a cloudy start, but those conditions will gradually clear. But the cloudy skies are going to spread further northwards, affecting KwaZulu-Natal today. And we're expecting far cooler conditions across that province. The cloud will gradually spread into the Lowveld as well as the adjacent escarpment areas this evening, bringing in some fog to the area as well. Our rainfall probability map indicates that there's up to a 40% chance of rain for the coastal areas of KZN as well as the adjacent interior. A bit of light rain is possible as well for some parts of the Eastern Cape, and overnight light rain or drizzle spreads onto the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga, while the rest of South Africa remains dry once again. It's going to be warm to hot over the northern parts of South Africa, mid to upper 20s and even lower 30s for some areas, while in the south and over the far eastern portions it's going to be quite cool, lower 20s for many areas, 22 for Bishu, Port Elizabeth as well as for George. Let's take a look at your coastal conditions for today, starting off along the western coastline where southerly to southeasterly winds return to the area, getting up to 30 kilometers per hour for some places. Swells are going to be moderate with a height of about 2.5 meters. We're expecting decreasing swell heights during the course of today further south, starting off at 3 meters but then dropping down to about 2.5 meters this afternoon and evening. Southeasterly winds for both Cape Agulhas and Hermanus, and similar wind speeds are forecast for Cape Town and the surrounding areas at 25 kilometers per hour. For the south coast, light southerly winds are forecast. That's going to bring in the moisture after a cloudy start to the day. Partly cloudy weather returns across the area later on, and swells will be moderate as well over this region. And finally, along the eastern coastline of the country, southwesterly winds are going to be moderate to fresh between East London and Richards Bay, up to 35 kilometers per hour along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Swell heights averaging at about 2 meters, and low tide in the early evening just after 6 o'clock.
News that moves. eNCA.com